Hey there everyone, this is Seven, and here I have a few OnePlus apps, the new latest apps from the OnePlus, and let's find out whether those apps are really cool, whether it's worth to have those, or whether we should stick with the stock. Okay, here I have the first one, and that's the dialer. This is the new OnePlus dialer, and here I have the night mode, dark mode enabled actually. I like it, it's better. This is how the dial looks like, a bit like stock. You can switch the calling sim easily. That's a good feature. And the favorites, reasons, and this is how the caller ID looks like. You have a small caller photo there, a lot like the MIUI, I would say. The MIUI also has a similar interface, and it supports VoLTE. That's a new feature. And that's all about the dialer. It's a lot like a stock, small customizations, and also a small feature resembling the MIUI. And let's go to settings to see more. Here are quick responses, a few of them, and call settings. Here vibrate after connected, or you will have a vibrate notification if the call is connected. And you have input option, that's all. And here you do not have the option to turn off the proximity sensor, and that's quite useful when you have a proximity sensor bug, or maybe a proximity sensor is not functioning properly. Whether if you have to disable the proximity sensor, you don't have that option right here. You'll have to use other dialers like the SOS dialer. Has that function is available in the Play Store. Okay, and then you have this new OnePlus community app. That's too not so cool. Got a lot of bugs. you know and not a much good interface actually. I would show you a few bugs that are included. For example, if you have to leave a message, you cannot do any customization. That is, if you have to bold anything, italics, underline, nothing is available. You can just type, that's all. And if you post in a link address, it will not be visible. That's another bug. I have seen it most of the times. And otherwise it's okay. If you're just viewing the forums, then it's okay. But if you are someone who is interested in writing, posting new threads, then it's not so good. You can't make an attractive thread using this. So that's about the forums. Then you have the new OnePlus Messenger. It's a whole lot like the stock. You can see creating a new message, changing the sync, so easy. You can add multimedia into it. That's another feature. And yeah, the settings, delivery reports, request for delivery for each message you sent. That's a interesting feature. And for multimedia messages, you have a few settings. That's all. It's yeah, a bit like stock, but customizations and no bugs. I haven't seen any bugs with that, so I think that's good. Now the next thing is the OnePlus calculator. So this is not a Google app. This is a OnePlus app, and actually this is same as the stock. Just a bit color change. You can see this is yellow, golden, and the stock is blue. That's all. And then you have the OnePlus clock. You see, it's stock, just improved interface. And That's all. You have the option to increase the volume, to go on increases gradually, or constant volume. That's it. You don't have much options or customizations. Other than that, nothing is required. Then you have the OnePlus File Manager. It's fantastic. Yeah, this is something I like the most. You have a customized file manager, and you wouldn't require anything else. Any other file managers wouldn't be required if you have this, because everything is separate. You have internal storage access and also access to the drive at the same place, and even the OTG. You also have settings where you can show the hidden files. That's an important option that you can see there. And you can even rename the files with another you know dot function, so that will help you to hide the files without using any other apps. You can just put .mp3, and where is it now? That will not be seen in videos anymore. You can go into music, audio, and then you will have that. You will have to search for it. Oh, actually it's missing. Actually somewhere there. Nowhere else to go. Okay, I think you will have to search for it actually. Okay, that's all. And the missing function is that there is no inbuilt PDF or presentation reader. You will have to use WPS Office or MS Office and something like that. And that's the only feature that's lacking in the file manager. And then you have the OnePlus Gallery. Nothing much, I would say. Just the same thing, where you can mark as favorite, share, edit, a few functions are there, and delete. That's all. Nothing much. That's all about the gallery. And then you have the new OnePlus Music Player, as you can see right here. The new OnePlus Music Player. You can tag, repeat. That's all. No much addition functions. That's it. Then you have the weather app, and that's the last one. This is powered by AccuWeather, and even you can see that in the shelf. See right here. This is the weather informations. And then finally, the OnePlus launcher. It's quite good. You can change the Google search bar, enable share, quick search, notifications. You can change the icon packs. Only 3 are available. Still is good. You can change the size. That's all. That are the new features. So here I have discussed a few OnePlus apps: the Google Dialer, the Messenger, the Community app, the Gallery app, and also the Music app. And finally, their stock launcher, the OnePlus. And all the apps are good, but not that good. They got independent functions. They have a few customizations. They are different from the stock. There are a few lacking functions, like the dialer doesn't have the option to turn off the proximity sensor. The Messenger app is quite good, so I can just uninstall the Google Messenger which I was using. You know, It's different from the Google Messenger that you see right there. A new interface, and the best part is that it functions in dark mode. That's the best part of the Messenger. And that's all with the OnePlus apps. And all of you will be receiving these apps in the recent updates. OnePlus 2 already has it with the new version 355. OxygenOS 355, the latest update. And OnePlus 3 and 3T will be having in the next recent update. Maybe in the next stable release of the November, which will be soon. So it's actually good to have all these things. But so the music app is not much important. And everything feels good. So we hope you enjoy watching this. And if you have any comments about my video, please post it. If you like it, just like it and subscribe.